Well, I had dinner at a friend's house the other night, and she served zucchini. And she said her kids love this zucchini recipe. And now I know why. This is crusty Parmesan oven roasted zucchini, and I love it too, even though I'm not a kid. I'm starting with 2 medium-sized zucchinis, which I have cut in half, and then cut in half again and quartered. I am liberally painting these zucchini strips with olive oil. I'm preheating my toaster oven to 400 degrees, and I'm also painting with olive oil my oven rack. Into a bowl now goes 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of powdered garlic. Mixing this up. In goes the zucchini. Now I'm mixing this well to coat each piece. These pieces now go onto the rack. I want to arrange them so they're not too close so that they roast evenly. Popping the tray into the toaster oven. Beautiful. That was 40 minutes at 400. How about a little ranch dressing? Oh, wow. Wonderful flavor. Nice crusty coating, but soft on the inside and beautifully cooked. And of course, with roasting in the oven, the flavors of the zucchini are concentrated. Need them a little crisper? You can stick them under the broiler for 4 or 5 minutes. Recipes like this one, over 250 wonderful recipes, are in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. Easy as can be. You don't have to heat up the kitchen to have a wonderful snack or side dish like this. Oh, give it a try.